How to add policies to footer in Shopify. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily customize policies to footer in Shopify with the easy method and without using any application. So let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard, then go directly and hit on settings on the bottom. Then I will show you how you can easily customize and add the policies to footer in Shopify. Then go directly to policies on the left side. It's very easy guys. First guys, go and to write in a policies, then return to and refund policies. Then you need to add and just head on insert template, then hit on publish. It's very easy guys. The privacy policy, then also it's added automatically. If you want to make some changes, just remove and unselect the use automated policies and you can easily customize it and add or remove everything. Then guys, hit on save. Then after customizing, hit on save. Again, term of service. Then again, just you need to select and insert template, then hit on publish. It's very easy guys. But the shipping policy guys, you will not be able to insert the template, but you will need to just go to ChatGPT, then it will give you the shipping policy for your Shopify store. Then hit again on publish. Then again, the last one, contact information. Just you need to insert the template also, and you need to make some changes, for example your phone number, your email address or trade number. Then hit on publish. As you see guys, your policies was added successfully to your Shopify store, but you need to make some changes to add it to your footer section. Then guys, go back and open your Shopify dashboard. Then again, hit on online store. Then go directly and view your go directly to customize. It's very easy guys. Scroll down to footer section, then hit on footer section. As you see guys, the term policies was added successfully in your footer section. How you can easily remove it and add it into section or on the top of your footer section. Then guys, make sure to select the footer section, then scroll down to scroll down to show policy links, then make sure to remove it and hit on save. Now guys, the policies was deleted and removed in policy link. Then go back and open your dashboard, Shopify dashboard. Then go back and go directly to navigation section on the left side, then hit on navigation. Then guys, select the footer menu, then hit on the footer menu. Then make sure to delete the search bar if you want to delete the search bar, or if you don't add some menu item, for example the not sale or share my personal information, delete this also. Then hit on add, or if you want to remove the search bar and delete it and remove it, then hit on add menu item. Then the search bar, tap policies, then for example term of service, then hit on add. Again, add menu item, policies, then shipping policies, then again add menu item. You need to add all policies, the refund policies again. Then on the last, again policies to privacy policies, and the last one is contact. Then again policies and contact information, then hit on add. Then guys, after adding the policies after adding the policies into footer section, then hit on add menu. Then guys, after adding, just go back and open your online store. Then open your theme, then hit on customize. Now guys, scroll down. There is no policies in your footer section. Just go and hit on footer, then add a section. Go to footer and hit on add block, then go directly to menu. As you see guys, the policy section was added successfully. Then if you want to remove the quick link, for example, just select this one and remove this quick link automatically. Then guys, the term policies was added successfully. Then if you want to just select the term of service, it will take you directly to your policy. Make sure to hit on save. Now guys, you will be able to save and add policies to footer in Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next